Hello everyone, here is a question from New Zealand chemistryolympiad. What are the correct Lewis structures for N2O, that is nitrous oxide? Let us first count the total number of valence electrons in N2O. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7. We have 5 valence electrons because 1s2 is the core electrons that we should ignore. So we have 2 nitrogen atoms. This means 10 here, and then atomic number of oxygen is 8. Once again we have to ignore the 1s2 electrons. That means we have 6 valence electrons in oxygen. Therefore 6 times 1 6, 10 plus 6 16 valence electrons we have in N2O. Therefore in the given structure, if it is below 16 or above 16, then we should ignore those structures. In A we could already see an odd electron. We have 3 lone pairs and 1 bond pair, that is 8, plus 1 odd electron, plus 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs, 8 again, which means 17 in total. Therefore, this is not a valid Lewis structure for N2O because we should have only 16 valence electrons, not 17 valence electrons. In B, this is 8, 2 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs. This is also 8, 2 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs. So in total we have 16 valence electrons, plus all the atoms do obey the octet configuration. Therefore this Lewis structure is fine. In C we have 8 here and plus we have 8 here. In terms of valence electrons, the structure looks okay. However, nitrogen is in period 2, not period 3. The central nitrogen atom here has 10 electrons around it. That means we are violating the octet configuration. If it is sulfur, this is okay, but it is not sulfur. Nitrogen atom is in period 2. Therefore, it cannot have 10 electrons around it. This means that this Lewis structure is wrong. How about D? In D, we have 8 electrons here, and then 1 lone pair is there, 2, and then 8 electrons here. In total here we have 18 valence electrons. That is not possible. Therefore D is not a valid Lewis structure for N2O. How about E? Here we have 8, here also 8, total 16 valence electrons, plus all the atoms do obey the octet configuration. Therefore this is fine. So B and E are fine. Rest of them are not okay. This means option B is the correct choice here.